Good morning, class 11, pure numericals of the chapter theory of cost. In exams, normally 4 mark question normally asked. First, we are taking from the book. We have given output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total cost TC 10, 30, 45, 55, 70, 90 and 120. Now, some is asking total fixed cost. You know, at 0 output, cost is 10. So the cost which is occurred at 0 level of production is always known as fixed cost, as we have discussed earlier also. So what will be the fixed cost at each level of petrol production? 10. Because even production is 0, we are accruing cost. So this is known as fixed cost. Now the sum is asking TVC. What is the formula for TVC, my dear? TC minus FC, total cost minus fixed cost. Because as we know, total cost is equal to fixed plus variable, and here total cost and total fixed cost are given. So difference will be variable cost 0, 20, 35, 45, 60, 80 and 110. Now AC, average cost. What is the formula for average cost? Total cost upon quantity, TC upon Q. This is TC, this is Q. 10 upon 0, infinite. 30 upon 1, 30. 45 upon 2, 22.5. 55 upon 3, 18.3. 40 upon 7, 17.5. 18 and 20. Total cost upon quantity. Now sum is asking TMC, marginal cost. Marginal cost can be calculated with the help of TVC or it can be calculated with the help of TC. Answer will remain same. Here it is 0. Now how much increased? 20. How much increased? 15. How much increased? 10. How much increased? 15. 20 and 30. In the same way you can check it from TC. First it will be dash, then 20, this minus this 15, this minus this 10, this minus this 15 and so on. So in this way we are going to calculate numericals of theory of cost. Let us take another sum, sum number 2. Output we have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we have given total fixed cost 124. It is given in the sum TFC is 120. So at each level it will remain 120. And in the sum ATC is given. And sum is asking calculate TC. Then sum is asking to calculate TVC. And then sum is asking to calculate MC. So first of all we need TC. ATC is already given. As we know, ATC is equal to TC upon Q. Here let us cross multiply. So ATC into quantity will be TC. So here we have given ATC. This is quantity. So 240 into 1, 240, 160 into 2, 320, 140 into 3, 420, 160 into 4, 640, 180 into 5, 900. Average cost into quantity. Now sum is asking total variable cost. My dear, we have already given total cost. We have given total fixed cost. If we deduct total cost minus fixed cost, so the result will be TVC. So it will be dear 120, it is 200, it is 300, it is 520 and now it is 780. This minus this, this minus this, this minus this. And now MC, which can be calculated with the help of TVC. At one level it is given 120. So 0 level something is given. So here we can write 120. Now it is 80. It is 100. It is 220 and it is 260. Marginal cost. In this way we can calculate different cost on the basis of one cost. Let us take one more example. Illustrate number 3. If fixed cost is 12, so fixed cost is 12, so let us write this fixed cost at each level 12, 12, 12, 12, 12 and 12. Right. Now MC is already given to us. So sum is asking calculate TVC. So my dear, we discussed earlier also TVC और VC is equal to sigma MC. अगर MC को हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप जोड़ते चले Z एडिशन के माध्यम से तो that will be equal to VC. That is first 9, then 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 8, 30 and 30 plus 12, 42. So this is known as TVC, sigma MC. Z addition. How it is Z addition? First 9 as it is, then 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 4, 22 and so on. Now TC. How to calculate TC, my dear? Just I told in previous sum, fixed cost plus variable cost. This is variable cost, this is fixed cost, addition. And how to calculate AVC? Average variable cost, TVC upon quantity. The sums are easy. I think you are able to understand. Let us do one last sum for the same topic. Fill in the blanks. Here we have an output 1 dash 3 dash. Then total variable cost 10 dash 27 dash. Then average variable cost dash 8 dash 10. Then marginal cost dash 6 dash 13. So my dear, first let us complete the output. Output always go in continuation. So here it will be 2, here it will be 4. We cannot jump. Now total variable cost TVC, for 1 it is given 10 and here AVC. Let us calculate AVC first. TVC upon output, TVC upon quantity, so it will be 10, right? Now here for second unit AVC is given 8. So if I multiply 8 into 2, so what will be my TVC? 16, 8 into 2. Here if I divide 27 by 3, so it will be my AVC, 9. Here it is again given AVC, average variable cost. If I multiply average variable cost into quantity, so this will be my TVC. Now MC, with the help of TVC we can calculate. First it will be 10, then here 16 minus 10, 6, 27 minus 16, 9, 40 minus 27, 13. In this way we can calculate various numericals with the related these topics. Thank you very much.